Excuse me, guys. Can I take a small interview? Yeah. Can I take a small interview?
No.
No? Ассалаумағалейкум барлықтарыңызға. Қазір біз Америкада, Нью-йоркта Қазақстан туралы не білетінін бірге көретін боламыз. Excuse me. Can I take a small interview, please?
A small interview?
Yeah, a quick interview. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. So I have a question for you. What flag is country? Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. It's like located in Central Asia.
Sorry.
Yeah. Its country is Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan?
Yeah, it's Kazakhstan. We are from Kazakhstan, and today is our Independence Day. I'll give you our national chocolate like this. It's very tasty, and it's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
And sorry, I didn't know.
It's okay.
I'll
It's
know
okay.
next time.
Yeah.
Next year, meet me right here. I'll answer.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, girls. Can I take a quick interview? Yeah. Do you know what the country it is? Yeah. Oh yeah. Really? You know the capital?
Yes. Wait, it changed recently.
Uh-huh.
It was Astana and then become
Yes, Astana is right.
Astana.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's Astana, right.
Did
Thank you.
they change the name? Or
Oh, like Nur Sultan, yeah. So today is our Independence Day, Kazakhstan. So I give you a little present from Kazakhstan. It's our national chocolate. Yes. Thank you for you. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye. Can I take small interview? A quick interview. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. How do you think? Which the flag is country?
A few moments
I
later.
don't know.
You never see. This located. This country located in Central Asia. Central Asia. Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
sorry.
Thank you. It's okay. It's Kazakhstan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. It's Kazakhstan. Thank you.